Hello, welcome to this beautiful section, Power BI. I love Power BI. God, I've been waiting for this moment. Okay, so before we dive into Power BI and doing some projects and understanding everything there is to know about Power BI, I would like us to first of all know what Power BI is. What is Power BI? So Power BI is a suite of business analytic tools developed by Microsoft that helps users visualize and analyze data, transform it into actionable insights, and share those insights with others. So simply, it is a tool used to do your visualization, you analyze your data and also visualize it. Then you also report your results to your stakeholders or the higher management. That's simply what Power BI is. I love this because it makes visualization very easy. Okay, apart from visualizing your result, you can also use Power BI to clean data. You can also clean your data there. You can manipulate and transform your data using Power BI. Okay, enough being said. Let's move on to what we are doing for today. Let's see our course outline. For the first one, we'll be seeing, so these are content, Power BI course content. Part 1, we'll be seeing how to install and upgrade features in Power BI. Then also we'll be seeing the Power BI interface. You need to understand the whole interface so you can know how to navigate your way around it. Then we'll also see how to import data into Power BI. Then part 2, then we'll see how to use your pie chart, how to use your column chart, how to use your stock column chart, how to use your donut chart, how to use your ribbon chart, your funnel chart, your gauge, some people call it gauge, your gauge chart, and finally how to use your line chart. There are lots of charts though, but this is what we'll be treating on this course. So that's for part 1 and for part 2. Now let's move on to part 3. What are we going to be looking out for in this section? So for part 3, we'll be seeing on the basic maps. All right. Then we'll see field maps. We'll see tables and metrics. We'll also see how to format tables. Okay. So for part 4, we use a scatter plot, the test cards, the KPI. For part 5, we'll see how to use slicers, filter on visual, button slicer. So that's all we need to see. So we'll see how to use all of this, okay, before we move on to the next one on our list, which is the project. So the project will be building. Now everything we've learned so far, we've learned how to use all the charts. So we'll use them now to build a project. All right. So this is what we'll be doing for this particular course before we move to the next one, which I'll be showing you later. Okay.